youngest person here in the room.
Information, Mr. Chair, I am 82 years old
Correct. No?
and a cancer survivor.
So very very young pa. No. Let's be honest to ourselves. Smuggling is an age-old industry in the Philippines. It's been there for very very long time. Sometimes there's boom periods for smugglers. Sometimes there's bane period for smugglers. Sometimes it's quiet, but it's always been there in many products, like you said, whether it's textile, it's cement, it's glass, now it's cigarette. It's been there for a very long time. So based on your experience and and being the point person for the Federation of Philippine Industry, what is the ultimate solution to stop smuggling in our country? You know? Because it has been there for a very long time. In many, and I'm talking about in general terms. Of course, you have smuggling in plastics. You have smuggling in virtually almost in rice, in agriculture. I think that's also a big problem right now. And now this is a problem with cigarettes. No? So what is the source of, well, first of all, let me backtrack. What is the reason for smuggling in our country, and what is, in your opinion, should be a top solution or top 3 solution in order to curb or minimize? I don't think we can eliminate it, but minimize smuggling so that it will not be an economic issue that we are facing.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. First of all, you know, smuggling can be stopped, can be minimized, but we need the cooperation of the private sector and the government regulatory bodies. All importations, let's not talk about high seas smuggling. All importation passes through Bureau of Customs. In other words, Bureau of Customs is the first line of defense insofar as smuggled goods are concerned. Insofar as drugs and food, the first line of defense also is the food and drug. So we have to make a strong food and drug and discipline the Bureau of Customs so that this can be eliminated right in the doorstep. If you observe, without casting aspersion on the customs, if you observe, all importations passes through customs, and it goes to the factories, to the warehouses, and they later on raided the warehouses. Why can't they not discover it right inside customs? It doesn't take a genius to know that. Just examine the goods coming in with the standards, with the all laws pertaining to that goods, and you will know whether it is undervalued, this misclassified, misdeclared, and so stop it. In the valuation, you have the committee on valuation. You call and ask importers to submit so that you will know the right, the customer or the importers who are really declaring true value as against those who are not. There is always a point of comparison. Then, if they are able to escape from the customs and from the food and drug, then the last line of defense is the Bureau of Internal Revenue. For instance, in the case of palm oil, the Bureau of Internal Revenue is looking at it. The food and the agriculture is looking at it too. How can you? It doesn't take a genius to know this. Palm oil, I met with the Secretary of Agriculture that time, the previous one. I was asked by the president to see the secretary. I said, palm oil, do you know what palm oil is? They could not answer me. I said, palm oil is a derivative of palm oil. It is fractionated, passing through 11 degrees so that all the solid will be set aside and the liquid is called olein. And olein is processed to fit for human consumption. But the order is, it can only be imported for compounding if it is unfit for human consumption. But you, as I told the secretary and the Food and Drug and the Bureau of Animal, pag in-import mo ito, these are designed for human being consumption. Bakit nakalusot dyan? But you certify. Until now, Mr. Chair, there's a delay. And one that discourages us to fight is, for instance, we ask Bureau of Customs because we cannot file any case against any smuggler. Only custom can file. Tama ho ba? Only custom. So, sabi namin sa custom, itong ulin, for instance, so let's consider. Bakit yung pinapasok ito? Ba't yung na-certify ng Food and Drug at later on, ang nagsacertify na ang Bureau of Animal Industry? So makitang-kita eh. Ibig sabihin, it's too obvious that you can see it. You don't need a scientist to know. So if all regulatory bodies will cooperate and work together, mahirapan nung pumasok ang smuggler. Sabi nga ni Senator Villar in one of the hearings, sabi niya sa agriculture, kaya daw gusto niya na non-bailable because only rich people can do smuggling. Wala hong mahirap na kaka-smuggle. Hindi makabili nga ng isang salop ng bigas, mag-smuggle pa. Pero ang punto rito, pag pera daw ang pinag-uusapan, sorry to say this, no? Walang problema sa mayaman ang pera. They can pay for their freedom. Pero pag hindi non-bailable, maski anong pera, hindi kaya. That's why we are suggesting also that it's not only agriculture, but all imported products should be non-bailable. That will only be the way to deter rich people from going into smuggling. It's their freedom. They will value that. Madali hong, marami na ho akong na-submit, Mr. Chair, na mga issues sa smuggling. Ang steel, halimbawa, delay ho, isa rin legal. Steel, Kingston Trading, pinakasuhan ho namin sa custom. Nag-cooperate ang custom. Hinayan na ng kaso. Court of Tax Appeal, etc., etc. You know, it took 18 years before a decision was made by the Supreme Court putting them to jail. Namatay na yung nagnakaw eh. Saka lang lumawas. These are documented, Mr. Chair. So, ang talagang solusyon dito, let us work together. Smuggling will kill our industry, will kill our economy, will kill our country. Let's work together. Palakasin natin ang first line of defenses natin. And then yung BIR, let's meet every now and then so that coordinated lahat ang gawa natin. Yun lang ho, sana. Wala hong, hindi ho natin kailangan ng scientist dito, Mr. Chair. Common sense lang at dedication. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Mr. Ranza. Let me ask Congressman Nograles, and because you represent the manufacturers, what is the source of illicit trade? What is the causes of illicit trade? Where is it coming from? What is the motivation or